Hello, friends! Welcome to the channel. Today, we're learning something super important. How to introduce yourself. Whether it's meeting someone new or making friends, I'll guide you step by step and keep it fun and easy. Are you ready? Let's get started with confidence and a big smile.
Hello! My name is Dora, and I am very happy to meet you today. I want to take a moment to introduce myself and tell you a little about who I am. I come from a town called Greenfield. It is a very nice place with many flowers and tall trees. It is quiet and peaceful, and everyone loves spending time outside. In my free time, I enjoy drawing and painting pictures. I like to use many colors and create pictures of animals, nature, and sometimes things I imagine in my mind. I also love to read books. My favorite books are the ones with adventures and mysteries. They take me to new places and make me imagine exciting things. On weekends, I like to spend time with my family. We go for walks, play games, and just enjoy being together. I am very glad to meet you, and I hope we can learn more about each other. It is always exciting to meet new people, and I would love to hear where you are from and what things you like to do. Now, that is a little bit about me. I would love to hear about you too. Please share your name, where you are from, and what fun things you enjoy doing. Let us get to know each other better and have fun along the way.
I hope you had fun learning how to introduce yourself. Remember to keep practicing and share your introduction with friends and family.
Now, we will talk about something very special. Family. Families are unique, and they bring so much love and happiness into our lives. Let us explore what makes family life so wonderful.
Hi again. It's me, Dora. Now, I want to tell you about my family. Family is so special, don't you think? I have a small but loving family. There's my mom, my dad, and my little brother. My mom loves baking cookies, and they always smell so yummy. My dad is really good at fixing things. If anything breaks, he knows how to make it better. And then there's my little brother. He's so funny and always makes me laugh. We love playing games together, especially hide and seek. Oh, and we can't forget about our pet dog, Max. He's like part of the family too. Max loves running around in the garden and wagging his tail when he's happy. I feel so lucky to have a family that cares for me. We like to spend time together doing fun things like having picnics, watching movies, and telling stories before bedtime.
Families are all different, but every family has something special about them. It is amazing to see how families care for each other and spend time together. What is your family like? I would love to know. Let's talk about something we do every day. Our daily routine. Everyone's routine is a little different, but it's always fun to share and learn about what others do. So Ollie is going to tell you all about his day, from the moment he wake up to the time he go to sleep. Let's get started.
Hi everyone. I am Ali. Today, I want to tell you about my daily routine. Let me take you through my day from morning to night. I usually wake up early in the morning when the sun is shining. The first thing I do is make my bed and brush my teeth. Then I eat a healthy breakfast. I love eating toast with jam and a glass of milk. It gives me energy for the day. After breakfast, I get ready and go to school. At school, I learn many new things, like math, science, and art. I also have fun playing with my friends during break time. In the afternoon, I come back home and have lunch with my family. After that, I spend some time doing my homework. When my homework is done, I like to play outside or read a good book. In the evening, I help my mom set the table for dinner. We all eat together and talk about our day. After dinner, I take a shower and relax by watching some TV or drawing pictures. Finally, before I go to bed, I brush my teeth again and change into my pajamas. I love reading a bedtime story to help me feel sleepy. Then, I say goodnight to my family and fall asleep. That's my daily routine.
And that's Ali's daily routine. It feels good to have a plan for the day, doesn't it? Now, I want to know about your routine. What do you do in the morning, afternoon, and evening? Every routine is special in its own way, and I'd love to hear yours.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and had fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.